Okay, let's paint Christmas ornaments using a muffin pan. I know that sounds a little crazy, but it worked so well for the pumpkins that we did for the fall that we thought, what else can we use? What else can we paint with a muffin pan? And of course, Christmas ornaments was the first thing that came to our mind. So go grab your muffin pan, some acrylic paint, and a sheet of mixed media paper, because this is fun for all ages. Once you have your muffin pan, turn it upside down. You see the bottom of the pan, the little circles that form your muffins? I'm using a mini muffin pan, but you can use a regular size muffin pan too. But the circles, that's what creates the circle imprint for our Christmas ornaments. So we're going to paint the bottom of the pan. It doesn't matter if the kids get paint on the side. It's not going to transfer when you make your print. Now, it'll be a little bit more to wash off, but it's not going to affect your artwork at all. Now, you're going to paint the circles, and you can use any color you want. I'm not going to paint all of the circles on my muffin pan. I'm only going to paint just a few here and there, so it doesn't look like it's all in rows and all organized. You might be one that wants them all organized, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I'm going to let mine be a little more asymmetrical in how the final project looks. When you have your circles covered in paint, place your sheet of mixed media paper on top. Just lay it down and make sure that the paper has contact with the paint. And that's it. Gently pull it off, set it to the side, and let it dry. Once your paint is dry, you can decorate your ornaments, the circles, in any way you want. Let's start by adding a top for our ornaments to hang from. You can use a Sharpie, a pen, a gel pen. I'm going to use a Sharpie to draw my ornament tops, and then I'm even going to outline my ornaments with it. I think I'm going to add glitter. But you can add paint, sequins, doodles, or even more marker on top of your dried paint. If you use glitter, just place your glue where you want a design to be and then sprinkle it with a little bit of glitter. It's easier and less messy if you have a sheet of paper underneath your artwork so that you can turn your artwork up and knock off the extra glitter, and it'll catch it in that extra piece of paper, and then you can transfer that glitter back into the bottle for another sparkly day. Okay, it's your turn. Get that muffin pan out, and let's make something beautiful today. Thanks for watching, and we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you'll know when we add more videos to our Christmas playlist. But most importantly, we pray that you forget not the Lord in this season and every day.